Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can convert USDT to BTC on Binance. So the first step you need to do is to open Binance. So once you open, you simply need to click on trade in the bottom after logging into your account. Then you need to click on convert on the top left, and from here you need to select BTC USDT because we are going to convert USDT, and then you need to select BTC. Okay, select, and now you need to enter the amount of the USDT. So I'm going to add 180. Okay, and then you need to click on preview conversion, and after that your amount will be converted. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.